Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about another AI code editor. So its name is Aide. So the link is given in the description box. It is aide.dev. When you go to that link, you will find this type of page, and here you see that this is a download option. If you have a Windows, you click on this. If you have a Mac or Linux, then you can download according to your operating system. Okay, so download it. After that, the installation process is same for like any other editor. So next you have to download it, and here you see that you will find this type of interface. Now select any of the theme, and now after that click on this mark as done, and you will find this type of interface. It is same as VS Code, but it has this AI compatibility. So here you see that on the right hand side there is a chat option. So there is a two option, one is a chat and another one is the edit. Okay, so let me show you that. Here you see that one is chat, another one is the edit. So when you write anything, you see that there is two option and is getting enabled. So if you select chat, then it will simply give you the answer what you have asked for. But if you select the edit, then you have to provide the file name. Here you see that when you press @ then you see that they are asking for the code that you want to get the help, and here you see that this is a file name that you want to edit. Okay, or if you want to build it a simple to-do app or something like that, then you can select this chat option. Okay, now there is a model configuration that I will show you. Here you see that let me show you the official block. So here you see that there is a docs option. Okay, so when you click on this docs, you will find this type of page. Okay, and on the left hand side there is some menu option. If you click on this model configuration, then you will find this the whole block. Okay, now here you see that for this Windows the command is Ctrl plus K plus M, or for this Mac you can select CMD K plus M. Okay, or you can search model selection. So let me show you that. So this 8 and Ctrl Shift M. Okay, or you can select Ctrl Shift P. So here you see that there is a model selection switch model option, or if it doesn't come for you, then just write model selection. Okay, so here you see that model selection switch model, or there is a this preferences means open model selection option. So if I select that, so here you see that this model selection is coming, and here you can select your model. Okay, and various models are available like OpenAI, this Together AI, Olama, Anthropic, Fireworks, okay, Gemini. All of this model selection is available, and I will show you that how to configure this with this Olama. Okay, and here you see that there is a drop down option. So for this copilot model, copilot means you want help for your existing code base, and chat model means you want to chat with this Aide. Okay, this editor, right? So you can select different model for this different purpose, right? Now how to configure this? Here you see that suppose you want to configure for this GPT-4. Now on the left hand side there is a edit model option. When you click on this, here you see that provider you can change, and after that here you can change the temperature, all of this, and below there is a provider option, and here you see the OpenAI default. Click on this edit provider, and here you have to provide the API key, and you are good to go, and you can use this, right? Now let me show you this. Here you see that there is a local model support option also. So if I click on the local model support, then you can use the Olama. Just install the Olama. I think you all of you know that how to install it. It is a simple process. Okay, so if I go this olama.com, there is a download option. Just install the Olama, and next you have to install. After that there is a models option. Okay, so there's a various models. These are the open source model that you can use, and they are telling that code llama or wizard coder you can use. Actually they are recommending, but you can use any of these like Cohen, llama or Mistral, any of the model you can use, right? After that, here you see that olama serve you have to do, and all of these things, and your chat window will be enabled, right? So this is a simple procedure, and I think you found this video helpful, guys. Please make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I daily upload the videos related to this AI and all of these things. So if you want to get that, don't forget to subscribe.